Step 1, curl the bucket up. Keep the revs on the engine up. Lift the toggle switch and pull it towards yourself gently. Begins to beep. Step 3, press the left button on the left hand joystick, and you'll notice it says on the screen that the quick coupler has been released. Then you want to open out the bucket, lower it to the ground. To re-engage the bucket, pick it up with the hitch. Curl the bucket towards you. Then engage the hitch by pressing the left button on the right hand joystick and holding that down. It's now fully locked. Once the beeping stops in the cab from fully engaging or fully locking the quick hitch on with that left hand button on your right hand joystick, curl the bucket up, make sure it's on, and then gently lower it to the ground and open it out as well, so that you are confident that the back pin is locked on and that you're not in danger of having the bucket drop.